dear friends, I'm back with another new recipe of mine, which is Pav Bhaji. So today I would be sharing this recipe of mine with y'all. Let's get started with the ingredients for today. The ingredients for today is 3 medium-sized onion cut tiny, butter, 1 medium-sized capsicum cut tiny, 1 small tomato cut tiny, and 1 lime, 3 green chilies, 1 small bunch of coriander leaves, 2 medium-sized carrot, 7 medium-sized potato, 2 big tomatoes. I have boiled it together and smashed it and made a puree out of it. Garam masala half teaspoon, Pav Bhaji masala 1 teaspoon, salt 1 teaspoon, Kashmiri mirch half teaspoon, and turmeric powder half teaspoon. So let's get started with today's recipe. I have put little bit oil, refined oil into the karai so that the butter doesn't get black. I would be adding approximately 30 grams of butter into the karai. I will add the onions to it. Green chili, and let's mix it till this becomes light brown. Now into this I will add the tomato, the puree, the buttery smell. I will add the capsicum as well, all the masalas. Now I will add a little bit of water and give this all a good mix. Mix all this well. It's been 5 minutes that I've been mixing this. Now into this I will add a little ketchup. This is optional according to your choice. Just a little bit of ketchup. Mix it. I will add the lime. Squeeze the entire 1 lime into it. Now into this I will add the coriander leaves, half of the coriander, as you can see it's ready. This is approximately for 6 to 8 people to have as a meal. It's more than enough. So according to your members, you can plus minus accordingly the ingredients and everything. So let's get started with the pav. Now into the pan, I will put just a little bit of butter. A little bit of dhanya patta, not much, just a little. Just a pinch of chilli powder, that's optional. To this I've cut the Pav Bhaji bread into 2. I'll just toast it a bit. Yeah, this, just lightly. So yeah friends, the Pav Bhaji is ready. I have just added a little onion, lime separately. If you wish to, you can have it along with that. A little butter to the bhaji. Toasted the bread as well. This plate is tasting lovely. I request you all to please try this recipe, friends. It's really delicious. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel in order to get much more tastier recipes. Thank you. See you in another video. Bye.